Welcome back to A.C.C. Garage. I'm Earl. Here's the problem. I was going to do a video on another truck or another car, but unfortunately the boys in the brown shorts have my package hostage currently right now, so cannot put the radiator in my truck. So the garage is tied up and it's a snowy, wintry mess. So what does any long form YouTuber or long form video person do when they have classic cars laying around? That's right. It's gonna be a cold start video today. So, whoop, got some cats. Say hi, buddy. I don't know if you're in frame, but hi. But we're gonna go try to start up some of the cars we just have laying around. Like, let's see, we got the 72 station wagon. Not doing the S10, it's got a busted fuel line. We're not doing, I've dubbed this truck Crispy because you can probably figure out what happened to the wiring harness. So we're going to attempt our first one, which is going to be, you haven't really seen it, but we'll do a cold start. It's a 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass I've had laying around. We were actually supposed to use it for power tour, and now we're just gonna try to start it. Oh, that's good news. Seems I have forgotten to put my air cleaner back on, but it'll be alright. So we do have a battery in here. I'm seeing there's frost all over this engine block. Can't say it's not a cold start. There is frost on the engine block, so this thing is probably gonna fight me. Nothing's on fire yet. Old me didn't leave me a wrench. What a bastard. No sparky, so battery's probably dead. Alright, let's check and see. I have keyage. Oh, well, the dying cow indicates that there's keys in the ignition. Oh yeah, dead. So and yes, this does have an electric fuel pump on it, so see if it hums to life or not. Oh shit, it actually came to life. Move this out of the way. That'll look a lot better. Oh, we got squirtage. That's a good sign. Will it crack or will it just go? My bet is it's just gonna go. Oh, door buzzer works. Yep. The sad cow collectible. So, got this for Christmas, so we'll try and see if the GP40 will work or not. Probably not. This thing does not have a choke, so. I was half expecting to come out here and just see this whole thing engulfed in flames, but it just needed a better battery. This thing is just... Listen to it. Not bad, old girl. So, since I really haven't shown this car off because, well, it never got completed, quick walk around. We went with the dirty, like, late 70s look. Like a little mismatch, make it look a little street brawler-esque. And yes, it's got the droopy tubes in the back because the tank, the air shocks, and everything else didn't fit correct. Like I said before, I was rudely interrupted by battery failure. You know what they say, third time's the charm, or 15th with a GoPro. Anyway, this is the 71, and we're just trying to give it that like street machine look. And yeah, she's got a little bit of little crap down in the dog legs. Oh, that door's frozen shut. So, shut up, angry cow. Oh, it's Just shut up. All right. So, interior's a little worse for wear, but headliner's nice. Back seat's all torn up because we were contemplating not running a back seat. Well, that one was way too easy. I don't even have the choke on. This might be foreshadowing of how bad this next one is going to be, which is the 1975 Ford Pinto, which is currently more like the Ford Igloo at this point. Oh. What are you doing? Might have a guest star here in a second. I'm trying to push snow, sir. Hey, thank you. I have shop cats that like to run around. They have no concept of like, oh, hey, he's trying to do something, and then they get covered in snow and get pissy with me for some reason. I have no faith in this one. I don't think I've started this one. I'd say at least a year and a half, maybe a year, but let's see if there's any road dance. Push it down. Ah, yes. Need all of the room for activity. Yeah. I don't even know if this thing is. Make sure it's not stuck. Oh, belt slippage. Oh no, she's good. Not stuck. And I heard a little hiss, so we might have a little compression here. Hopefully this battery will fit. Probably not, but probably too big. Wipe all the acorns and leaves onto the exhaust manifold so it catches on fire. Perfect. See if this will fit in here. Barely, but she fits. I'm gonna need the, oh god, there's not an electric fuel pump on this one, so I'm gonna have to go get the squeezy bottle. That's supposed to be connected to something, I think. No fire yet. Alright, I think, if memory serves, this is one of these weird carburetors that has the coolant cycle through it, so see if I can just like, we have pumpage. That's not what I'm looking for. Where's the, oh, it's this guy. Well, nothing yet. Made in Canada. How nice. I'm either filling this engine full of gas or I'm actually putting stuff in the carburetor. There's only one way to find out. The problem is, I do remember this thing having a slight exhaust leak, so it's going to sound like a very angry Honda. So, oh damn it, where are the keys at? Okay, so I pulled my head out of my ass, and I found the keys. So, I just gotta squeeze my fat ass in here, which is probably not going to happen. Oh, Jesus. Oh, it's unlocked, surprisingly. Aw. Damn it. Get the snow off the window. You know what? Not enough room in between these vehicles. We're going through the passenger side. Yeah, Mark. Oh, it's not. Nope. Yep. Oh. Oh, damn you. Thorns. Try to get this door clear. Didn't work. Try to lay across here and try to. It runs. Horrible. More secret sauce. I think that throttle linkage is a little sticky. Oh, that's groovy. That accelerator pump is not accelerating or pumping. It is stucketed. Getting it to run? Yes. Getting it to run good? No. Try to lean in and see if I can get this thing to run a little bit. Oh, good God. Likes all of the RPM. I know Pintos are explosive, but I didn't know they would make that kind of noise. Ooh. Pumping does nothing. Yeah, Pinto runs. But idling? I don't think that's in the cards for today. Oh no, the gasoline bottle. That could have started a deadly fire hazard. Give it more. Give it all the gas. So it catches on fire. Yeah, idling might not be in the favor today. And don't worry, this is just old 2-cycle fuel. It's not from old Greg's lake. Yeah, so try this one last time and then we're moving on to the next. Because, you know. Test. That counts as idling. Pinto has ran. It cold started very quickly. Idling, not happening. So honestly, I thought today was going to be just a day full of fails. These both fired right up, and I know I haven't done shit since I really bought this Pinto or traded the Pinto. The Pinto, it was the weirdest thing is that I was selling a 1971 F100 pickup. I might have a photo of it somewhere, and someone said, hey, would you trade a Pinto for this truck? And I've never owned a Pinto, so I said, why the hell not? So I went and looked at this Pinto, and I thought it was going to be the same amount of beautiful patina and rust like this 71 F100 I had. No, this car, minus my neglecting of it, was a pretty nice car. It was, I wouldn't say low miles, but I think an old lady drove it forever, and then the guy got a hold of it. It was an Indiana car. It's not got that much rust, a little bit of the floor pan on that side, but not much. So, the main failure today has been GoPro batteries and I guess my own ability to learn how to film correctly, because I keep forgetting that this camera is like, so some of the shots I had to retake because it seemed like I was being like Wilson, talking above the frame, like I was looking over the camera. But we're going to take the battery out of here and go try to start my 77 Dodge D100, which I keep saying they're going to give me a fight, but these things have actually been pretty nice. The Pinto, yeah, we didn't get it to idle, but it ran. It might move. I'm not willing to find out right now, but let's get the battery out of here. And on to the next one. Gotta film the real star here in this episode. Oh yeah. That big old goofball. So the next truck we're working on is over there in the weeds a little bit. And we're gonna go to it right meow. Noticing my ADHD brain, I haven't really been explaining a lot with these cars, so hopefully I'll go back and edit it so it actually explains in tail. Yes sir, I know. And if you saw, which most of you did, since you know I had about 1,600 viewers and about 450 people watched it, so a good amount of ratio for the people that are watching. Thank you again. That watched the D150 video that was an 84. This was the truck right next to it that has plants growing into it because, well, she's been neglected like everything else. This is a 1977 Dodge D100, not a D150. And yes, people are probably screaming in the comments that because of these, it's a 78. Well, it's a 77 truck with amber turn signals. I took clear ones out and I put these ones in. I didn't like the clear ones. I think these look a lot better, especially with the body color. So the real reason I fell in love with this truck is because one, the like root beer coloring it has, but also this, I bought this on Craigslist. Oh shit, it's got to be at least 7 years ago, and it's got typical Chrysler wiring. Horrible. But the guy had it for 500 bucks, said it ran and drove. Planning on switching out the slant 6 with a 318 or 360 or something, because I grew up in the area where, oh, 6-cylinder's horrid. I fell in love with this 6-cylinder. I drove it back and forth to work and it did me well. I just stopped driving it because it was getting terrible gas mileage. There was a leak in one of the parts of the gas line I didn't notice, so I'm really lucky because this thing could have gone up in a ball of flame. Yes, I hear you, buddy. Oh, come here. Come here, Mr. Guest Star. Come on over. Come on. You can do it. Yeah, see, that's the other thing is that I'm bombarded. Can you please stop showing your butthole to people? I have 2 shop cats, and recently this one's become all lovey-dovey because, well, he's just a ball of fur, a ball of fluff. No. Actually, when his mom came up, he was a baby when we found him. So now he just likes to hang out, don't you, buddy? His name is Moon. His nickname is King Tism because he's a little special. Aren't you? Oh, yeah, there you are. Watch the radiator. Careful now. Oh, boy. You're adorable, you know that? Is it going to run perfect? God, I hate my jokes sometimes. You're going to have to get down, bud. I don't want you to get hurt. Yeah? Yeah. Come here, Mr. All-Star. No. What are you doing? Yeah, you're looking for mouse? For Miska Muskas? If you find one, I'll give you an extra treat. Ooh. Something's been... Let's say probably the damn squirrels. Hopefully there's gas in this truck. Probably not. Oh, come on. Little sauce in there. Now that the float bowl's full, let's go ahead and try to start this. Oh, like it? Yeah. Let's see if she'll start. Neutralis. How about now? Well, it doesn't look like any gas is coming up yet. Well, this is not race fuel, so don't get it twisted. Just plain old lawnmower fuel. Also, how's your guys' day going? Exciting content, I know. And squeeze bottle refilled. So I see some, or a little bit of liquid, but don't look like a lot. So it's probably no gasoline left in this truck. I try not to leave gas in trucks and cars, but sometimes I am forgetful. All right, let's see what that does. Yes, balancing the Leatherman as a choke. That's how you do it. Right as it started to pick up too. Damn it. Oh, look at all that shit it kicked out. Good God. Whatever was in there is not happy anymore. Now this car, there's Crispy. Why is it called Crispy? It has slight wire fire. We'll talk about that in another episode, but this one, I think I've had this the longest in my fleet and she's been the most neglected. My 1972 Chrysler Town & Country station wagon. Get a full shot on that wood grain there. But yeah, I bought this out of a warehouse forever ago. I'll link the video to explaining it more, but this thing has just been, it's been here, rotting away. Oh yeah, just works the hinges. I'm going to need a broom. Let me go broom this off real quick. Alright. Let's try this again. Hi guys. Hey, there we go. Now, the thing I really love about this station wagon is, one, it is ugly ass green, and two, it has a 440. Now I have no faith in this 440 starting, so we're going to give it all the sauce that we can before the camera dies, which will probably be here in a few minutes. Come on. Ah, yes. Ear piercing. No battery. Good, I brought one. Oh. Ooh. That is, this carburetor needs to be gone through. Look at that. Looks like it came off the Titanic, and that carburetor is not even a year old. Water will do that to you. Well, I have no faith. Look who's come to visit again. Our real mechanic here. Moon. What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? Yep. No, it's not because it's a Mopar. Yep. Yep, it ain't got no gas in it. I get it. I know. You want attention. Ah. Not the air cleaner. And he's taking a lunch break, so. What were we doing? Oh, yes, back to this. I hear you. But anyway, we're going to try to give this thing a fighting chance. I have, once again, the bottle. We'll feed it into there. And I have no faith in this Holly or anything in this car really working. It's probably even any coolant in it. Nope. No coolant, so we may have lost a freeze plug or we have a crack somewhere. Awesome. I better check. I should clean some of this off here. There we go. I want to check the oil. It's probably full of water, knowing my luck. Nope. Just absolutely disgusting. Oof. Oil change in your future there, bud. At least there's no water, so that means where did the water go? Where did the water go? Not good. Alright, let's get a battery in it. See what happens. Well, and then there was one. Camera battery died. Only got one battery for that camera. Design fall on my part. But here's the interior. Extra moldy. Ugh, need some D-germ. But we'll see if this will start. So this one, I remember the linkage is so sloppy. Oh, and that just stuck to the floor. Well, that's not good. All right. We may not have sparkage, but that's not good. Oh, that's... Oh, okay, it is spraying. Let's go ahead and just slap the choke on, because God knows we're going to need that. We may or may not get this today, because I got to go to work. So... I'll be damned. You bastard! How dare you run this well? Ooh, those belts are quite fluky. Oh, there's the coolant. Ooh. That looks horrible. Water pump working. Calm down, calm down, calm down. Ah, that's why I was running so well. The throttle was stuck. Oh, jeez. That's a miracle. Can you do it again? Wow. Just, I don't like you anymore. I still like you. I'm just pissed you started okay. Now I know. Let's see if you'll... Okay. Buster, did you run out of gas? Is that all you had for me? Oh, damn you. Well, there's fuel in there. I just think we finally hit the shitty gas, so we'll see if she fires back up. You absolute bastard. Hit it with the spritz. Spray bottle. It's everywhere. Fire. There's enough snow around. I can put it out. If it starts running, then I could just always bottle feed it. Ooh. There you go. Come here. I know. Yeah, that gas is horrible. That clutch fan is, ooh, Jesus. That thing's probably hosed. Oh, there was oil pressure. It's kind of slowly going down, but see if I can get it to do one more time. I can't pump it because the pedal sticks. Okay. We'll get it to run just for a second, just so I can see if she has oil pressure, and then that's it. Time for me to go to work. Yay. Spray for good luck. How we doing on battery? 91. We found the good. Nope, not gonna say it. We're not done with the video yet. Not there yet. And damn it, that starter's not the happiest. I changed that starter out too. Oh, there we go. An extra lot of gas. Caused big fire. Ooh. Oh, poor thing. There you go. Okay, 50. Oh, 75 pounds. Nothing wrong with you after all, little girl. Oh, you probably still have something wrong with you. I just haven't found it yet, but give you a couple of little. Oh, that's not good. Probably a few. I forgot that whiskey dent was there. Huh. Well, we're gonna do a nice fire check before we leave, because that's all I need is my station wagon to burn to the ground. But hey, it started. Thinking of that. Hold on. Sure. Little snow test. Little warm. Little warm. Yeah, that Catalina that I said we're not starting, I learned my lesson with that one, because if you've ever caught your phalanges on fire, ooh, and the bottle dropped, so there's gas everywhere. Awesome. I learned to check before I grab negative terminals. There's something a little wrong with that one. I haven't figured it out yet, but I bet you I will. But anyway, I'm going to do a fire sweep. Thank you for joining us for this half-assed video, so I can try to keep with my goal of a month, or a video a month, a video a month. And hopefully you'll see Crispy, or the S10, or the Oldsmobile, or the convertible that I have that I've never shown because it's just an absolute pain in the dick. Ooh, that tree's going, and we might lose an F. Oh, she might go today, boys. Well, I guess the tree is not falling just yet. But anyway, thanks for watching. And hopefully I have a better video than just cold starts, because it was kind of a bullshit video. So, alright. This snowy shit sucks.